Grade 6 hair loss. You see, not only the hairline has gone, but the top of the scalp along with the crown has also become quite stand out. So the baldness is there from the front till the crown. So when he came to us, this was his condition. What happened from this to this is what we will discuss today in today's video, and how this happened and how much time it took. So let us discuss this. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital Agra. Having seen more than 1,000 patients for hair loss or hair transplant, today we are telling you the story of one of these patients who went from so much of baldness to decent look in just 9 months. So do not forget to subscribe this channel for many more such testimonials and also science-packed videos. Patient was only 24 years of age. At this age, this much baldness actually shook him from inside. He had lost a lot of confidence. He just wanted a decent look back. So he told us that, doctor, I know that I won't be getting a lock full of scalp, but I want a decent look. And we are happy that we were able to do that according to the patient in just 9 months of time. So before undergoing surgery, he wanted to see how he would look after surgery. He took help of PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. What you need to do is you download the Saraswat Hospital App, click on the PeekAI feature. Then you upload your pictures, the front and the top view. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll get back your probable result pictures along with approximate number of grafts which would be required by you in your hair transplant surgery. So when we did his trichoscopy before the consultation, we could see that the thickness of hair at the donor area was 0.069 millimeters, and also the density of hair was 83 per centimeter square. When we calculated the recipient area, we saw that giving a density of 40 grafts per centimeter square in the front region, he required about 2200 grafts, and giving a density of about 32 grafts per centimeter square in the rest of the area up till the transition zone, he required around 3072 grafts. So a total of around 5300 grafts was required by him to do a transplant starting from a hairline till the transition zone in the vertex area. Do not forget to comment your hair loss grade or your questions in the comment section below. Now on your screen you can see the detailed analysis of his trichoscopy, how much 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair, 4 hair grafts he had, and approximately 2 hairs per graft he had. So he had 1 to 4 hair grafts, but the approximate number was 2 per graft. If you want to get your own personalized plan for hair transplant, you can contact us on the numbers below, WhatsApp us your pictures, and then we can have a consultation. Now you can see his before after pictures, how he was on the day of surgery, then 3 days after surgery, 3 months after surgery, 6 months after surgery, and then 9 months after surgery. Now the full result of any hair transplant takes around 12 to 13 months for full density. So he will have more density in the months to come, and I'm sure he would feel even better after he gets full result. Also in the combing video, you can appreciate that the donor area looks quite normal and the recipient looks fantastic. Do not forget to share this video with somebody who needs hope. If you want to know about crown hair loss 3 steps checklist, you can click the video on the right.